Hello my friends, welcome to Joystick. In this video, I will show you how to run a Python file in Visual Studio Code. First, I am going to open my project folder in Visual Studio Code. This way, I am also going to show you how to open a project folder in Visual Studio Code. So go to the left side of the Visual Studio Code screen where you see these icons. Hover over the first icon that says Explorer, click on it. Here you are going to see an open folder button. Click on it. This is going to open a window. My project folder is on desktop, so I'm going to go there and then I'm going to select this project folder, which is called project_folder, and then click on the select folder button. This is going to open this project folder in Visual Studio Code. You can see there are two Python files within this project folder. Now let's say I want to run helloworld.py file, which simply prints hello world. One way is to open the terminal by clicking on terminal and then clicking on new terminal. So it's going to open a new terminal over here. Actually, the terminal was already open, but I had to show you how to open a new terminal. Over here in terminal, type Python space hello world.py. That's the name of the Python script we want to run, and hit enter, and you can see hello world is printed. And this is one of the ways to run a Python file in Visual Studio Code. Second way to run a Python file in Visual Studio Code is to click on this play button that appears in the right that says run Python file. Now in case this button doesn't appear for you, you don't have to worry. You simply need to come to the left and click on this icon that says extensions. Here in the search bar, you need to type Python, that's with capital P, and you need to install this extension from Microsoft. You can see for me it is already installed, but if you don't have it installed, then install button is going to appear. Click on it and install it. Once it is installed, you will also start seeing this play button. Click on it and your program is going to run. The third way to run a Python file in Visual Studio Code is to install the Code Runner extension. To do that, type Code Runner here in the search bar and you will see this extension by Junhan. Click on install if it is not already installed. If this window appears, click on Trust Publisher and install. It will take less than a minute to install. Oh great, it's already installed. The Code Runner extension is also going to bring the play button over here. Now if you hover over it, you are going to see run code. Click on the play button and there you go. You see the difference? This time the code didn't execute in the terminal, it executed in the output tab. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to run Python file in Visual Studio Code from this video of Joystick. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.